Today's video, I'm going to show you how to gain your 1000 subscribers within 3 to 7 days with this popular method. Like, this method is very popular, but I'm going to show you how to use it in another form for you to gain this 1000 subscribers within 1 week. Like, I tried it in my other channel and I gained this 1000 subscribers within 5 days. Like, within 5 days, if you do it very well, you are going to gain your 1000 subscribers. If you watch this video till the end, I'm going to show you the 3 tips that will definitely make you to gain this 1000 subscribers within 7 days. Like, the first one is the type of video that you are going to use. Like, you must surely get 1000 subscribers using this video. Second ones are what you have to do after gaining this 1000 subscribers. So you have to watch this video till the end if you really want to gain your 1000 subscribers within 3 to 7 days. First thing you have to do is, I'll be sharing my screen. So what to do is to go to your Instagram, then look for a popular video, like video that got maybe 1 million views, or how many, like thousands of likes, 500 and something likes. That is the video that you'll be using. I know you know about this method, but watch this video till the end for you to gain every spicy of it. So let me just use this video. I'll be using this video now. So let me mute it so that you'll not get distracted. So what you have to do is to click on this share icon here and then copy the link. If you copy the link, you head over to your InSaver. If you don't have InSaver, because some people do have issues when downloading their InSaver, they'll ask you to pay. But if you don't have InSaver, you can just go to your Chrome and type in download Instagram videos. So you just paste the link there. But in today's video, we'll be using InSaver. If you go to your InSaver, you will see that the link has already appeared. Then download the video. After downloading it, you head over to your YouTube. On your YouTube, you have to make this video to be yours. You have to make it to be yours. So for YouTube not to strike you with copyright, make sure that you are watching this video. I know you have heard it. Just make sure that you are watching this video till the end, because there is one important tip that I have to give you on this video for you to gain this 1000 subscribers within 7 days. So when you come to your YouTube, what you have to do is to click the plus icon, then click on short, click on the video that you saved. After importing the video to your YouTube short, then what you have to do is to click on this next icon to mute the original audio that you imported it with. So after muting it, you can add a sound. Please make sure that you use a trending sound on YouTube. Like, if you come here now, they'll ask you add sound. So on that add sound, you can choose the first one, the first sound, like all this popular sound that you know that is trending on YouTube. You can just use it, then you can add it. But if you don't want to add any sound, you can put a voiceover. You are making the video to be yours. Like, even if they are checking it, they will see that there is a difference between the original video and the video that you posted. Me, I normally advise to use your voiceover, but if you don't want to put voiceover, it's okay. You can just add in the trending sound and you are good to go. So after that, you click on next. Just click on this pen icon to change the thumbnail. So you can put any thumbnail that you like. You can just choose the part of the video that is so attractive and put it. I'll be choosing this particular one here. After that, you can choose visibility. Please don't post the video immediately. Don't ever post it immediately, because you have to put some certain things. If you really want to gain views on that video, you have to put some certain things. That what you have to do is to schedule. If you want to post the video tomorrow, you can just do it tomorrow. Just set the time. Today is 18th. Maybe you can just set the time to 19. Just start scheduling it. the next thing you have to do, this location, you can just put your country. So many people change country, but I always advise to put your own country, because you have, when the video goes viral or you are making money from it, the taxes that they will be deducting from it will be according to the country that you put. So what you have to do is to select audience. This audience, please always make sure that you put it on no, it's not made for kids. It's not made for kids. Always put your video there. So when you finish adding all these things, make sure that on this related video you add in the video, whether it's related to the video or not. Just put in one of your video there, so that anybody that wants to watch more of your video can easily access it through that. After everything, and what I want to say again is that this authored content, if your video is making use of AI, please make sure that you put yes, because here they said, do any of the following describe your content? You said yes or no. If your video is making use of AI, you can just click yes, but if it's not making use of AI, you click no. YouTube must surely know whether the video is AI generated video or not. So make sure, don't lie about it. Make sure they put the one that is about the video. After that, you upload your short. If you finish uploading the short, then you go to your YouTube desktop version. If you go there, on the title, please just make sure that you, maybe this food is delicious, for example, and then put your hashtag. You can just put hashtag short. Please don't jam pack your video with hashtag, because if you jam pack it with hashtag, it will not go viral. Like YouTube has said it, this is part of spamming. You cannot get views on that video. So you can just put one or two hashtag and you are good to go. Then description, you talk about the food, just say a bit about, just say a bit about the video that you posted. I'm just using this, and my channel is not about food, but I'm just using food channel to give you an example. After putting in the description, then you head over to your tags. So many people doesn't put tags on their short, but as a new YouTuber, you need to put it. Those that doesn't put hashtag on their short, maybe they have gained a lot of subscribers, they have gained a lot of watch hour, they have gained a lot of subscribers, people has known them. But as a new YouTuber, you really need to put tags on your short, so for you to gain these views. And you know that if you're gaining views, you're gaining a lot of subscribers. When you gain 200 views, there is no way you will not gain a lot of subscribers from that video. So when you finish putting your tags, you put in your hashtags, after putting all this thing, then you leave your video till the time that you have scheduled it, unless you want to make it public immediately. Maybe you posted it in the morning or in the evening, you want to make it public, then you make it to be public. So after putting all these things on your video, just you leave the rest for YouTube. So 3 tips I'm going to be giving you is that when you reach to 1,000 subscribers, make sure you stop this method. Like if you gain your 1,000 subscribers, don't continue. You are still a new YouTuber, so you have to stop at 1,000 subscribers maximum. Like when you really get that 1,000 subscribers, you stop. And the second tip is that you have to delete all those videos. All these videos that you use, you have to delete it for YouTube not to strike you during monetization, because those videos are not yours. And the last one, which is the main important thing, is you have to use this Gemrias officials, like those videos, all their videos. Like this is the video, the type of video that I use. I'm going to put the name on the screen because the name is somehow is all these Ghanaian names. So I'm going to put the name on the screen. I use this video. Like you need to be posting 5 of this video a day. Just do it the way I did it on this video. There is no way, I'm telling you, there is no way you will not gain your 1,000 subscribers very fast before 1 week if you do it very well. So I hope you find these tips interesting, and if you do, please do subscribe, comment, share, and turn the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one.